I should have turned back the moment the glowing factory gates opened, but something about that warm purple gold light pulling through the rain made me step closer. As I walked forward, the iron doors groaned open on their own, releasing a soft sugary steam that drifted across my face like the place was still breathing. Inside, everything felt abandoned, yet strangely alive, especially when tiny glowing cocoa droplets rolled across the floor like little comets, guiding me deeper into the darkness. And then the lights flickered awake one by one, revealing a massive chocolate river shimmering bronze and purple as if it carried electricity instead of chocolate. I leaned closer, and from behind the rusted machines a metallic whisper drifted out, making every hair on my neck rise. A pair of glowing eyes blinked, and a caramel glass robot rolled out of the shadows, scanning me with a warm yellow beam as if it already knew me. Before I could react, it dipped its arms into the glowing river and shaped the chocolate into floating stars and spirals, each one beating like a tiny heart.
What's happening?
Then it offered one to me, warm, alive, almost breathing, and insisted I take a bite. The moment I tasted it, the entire factory roared awake. Pipes shook, geysers of glowing chocolate shot upward. Light danced across every surface as if the factory had been waiting for just one taste to return to life. Suddenly memories, my memories, appeared around me in shimmering chocolate mist, childhood festivals, first candies, laughter from years ago swirling in the air like holograms. That's when I realized the horrible truth. The chocolate wasn't giving memories, it was stealing them. I stumbled back as the river rose like a living wall, blocking every exit, and the robot's once friendly glow shifted into a cold blue as cracks spread across its caramel shell. The whole factory shifted around me, platforms sliding, gears locking into place, trapping me like a maze tightening with every breath. In the middle of the chaos, I spotted a dusty control panel hidden in a dark corner. Its screen faintly glowing with one word, release. I sprinted across the shaking floor with the robot rolling after me and a chocolate river chasing at my heels like a rising tide. Just as it was about to swallow my feet, I leaped forward and slammed my hand onto the button. A blue shockwave blasted through the factory. Everything froze instantly. Machines stopped mid-motion. The chocolate river collapsed into perfect stillness like metal glass. Even the robot shut down halfway, its eyes dimming to silence. But then, with a deep rumble, the conveyor belts shifted aside, revealing a hidden doorway glowing with warm golden light. Drawn by something I couldn't explain, I stepped inside and found a floating chamber full of glass jars, each holding memories from every person who had ever entered the factory. One jar drifted toward me, showing a laughing child inside, and the moment I touched it, the jar dissolved into cocoa dust that gently wrapped around me like warm snow.
Is that you,
Behind
Anya?
me, the weak, cracked robot reactivated, speaking softly, telling me that by freeing the memories, I had also put the factory to sleep forever. Around us, all the jars dissolved at once, filling the chamber with drifting chocolate dust as the lights slowly faded. I walked through the now silent halls, past the machines settling into darkness, past the chocolate river hardened into bronze glass, until finally the massive doors unlocked and opened to the cool night outside. The neon clouds drifted quietly above as the old factory sign flickered one last purple gold heartbeat, and then went dark forever. I stepped out into the night, breathing deeply, feeling both relieved and strangely sad. When I looked down, a faint warm glow lingered in my palm, one last piece of magic the factory left behind. But as I walked away down the neonlit street and the glow slowly faded from my hand, I realized something. Some adventures don't stay with you because you remember them, but because they remember you.
Please guys. Like, subscribe, and share, and comment.